These are the 5 steps for making a perfect pudding that's much better than bakery style. To start, folks, in a mold, begin by adding syrup. It needs to be on the lighter side. This is the first trick. I made this syrup with just sugar. I didn't add even a bit of water. About 1 cup of melted sugar. Let's set it aside to cool down now. The second tip here, folks, is to always sift the egg. Always pass it through a sieve to remove the egg's skin. I'm also going to use 500 milliliters of milk, (395 grams of condensed milk). And here, folks, I'm using a bit of vanilla essence, but it's up to your taste. The third tip, folks, is not to blend it, but instead to beat it by hand with the help of a whisk or a beater. Let's now move to our mold. We're covering it with aluminum foil, shiny side down. Let's put it in a mold with water, leaving it in a water bath. Magia puts a little vinegar in this mold so it doesn't darken. And let's take the personal oven to 130 degrees for an hour. That's the 4th tip. Cook over low heat for a long time. The 5th personal tip and the most special, unmold it when it's already cold. And look, guys, how amazing this pudding is. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. Now, you don't need an excuse to make this pudding. Remember, guys, there are several ways to make pudding, both in the air fryer and in the pan itself. It's your preference, but this is amazing, and I hope you enjoyed. This was another recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's a strong hug until next time, and thanks.